From its pivot to Asia to the Indo-Pacific strategy, from the revival of the otherwise vestigial Quad in the South Asia and the Pacific region to the I2U2 in the West Asia, and from its new mercantilist posture to its such anti-China infrastructure initiatives as BDN, Blue Dot Network, B3W, Build Back Better World, and the Global Gateway, the United States, alongside its allies, is hell-bent on keeping China from making inroads and gaining influence across the globe. Moreover, in its bid to revive its lost status and reliability, the United States is openly thrusting a new Cold War on China by financing anti-China notions and fathering anti-breed developmental projects. In this connection, our today's sitting deals with one of the most recent initiatives launched by the United States and its allies. Under the title of the India-Middle East Economic Corridor, a new infrastructure project has been launched on the sidelines of G20 summit in India this year. The project, although not overtly stated by the US State Department, is aimed at working as Biden's road initiative to the dismay of China's breed.
Yes, hello people, I believe you're doing great and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab.